Good grief. Make myself a little tea later. I'll have that little blueberry crumb. Played cards one Monday, I lost $1. 3 hours, I lost $1.
Not a bad night of entertainment.
Feeling 3 hours, Chris. Now the winter gets darker quicker.
Yep.
The nights are long.
Yep.
Cold, snow now. We've been lucky so far.
Yep.
It's a long day. It's a long fucking day.
Fiber internet, you can go farther, faster. In fact, faster than with any
The holidays are finally here.
You wind up,
as fast as Verizon and Frontier.
Scarlet and
talking
Violet
yourself.
has revealed to us another new mechanical Pokemon. His name is Iron Bundle.
Get Optimum Fiber for as low as $30 a month with a 2-year price lock guarantee
Hey
at
Chris, one day you gotta check the safe with those
Iron
coins.
Bundle is a
See what the hell
mechanical
they work.
Pokemon that looks a lot like
15, 20 years.
Delibird.
I know.
Right?
Yep.
And I don't have the slightest
He
idea
probably
what they
even
work.
knows
They work
the
anything.
same attacks as Delibird.
That'll be worth something.
Maybe one day you come out, pull them out, see what the hell you got.
As we both know, Iron Bundle and
Nothing
Delibird
more
are
reason,
both
just a
related to Santa
curiosity.
Claus.
Yeah.
Well, actually, they are Santa Claus related Pokemon.
They say this guy Thomas, the left tackle in the Giants, number 78. The ratings, they have him rated maybe one of the best tackles in the league.
Really?
It's his third year.
Alright.
First year, they thought it was a bust. But he picked up the different techniques and all that shit.
There we
Put
are.
him right up there.
Alright.
Now the other tackle, he's hurt now. He hurt his knee or some shit. He got 3 games. He was having the exact same problem that Thomas had the first year.
Yeah.
But the guy's a mountain of a man.
There's
He's
one last
350
thing,
pounds,
a straw.
6'7".
And that's his
Once he learns the
special
techniques,
Galaxy
you can have
package.
bookends there.
Yeah. We built a team around him.
That's right.
There he is, everyone. That is how you draw Iron Bundle from Scarlet and Violet. Hopefully I'll get to see that more of the game real soon. This is all for now. Merry Christmas, everyone. Farewell and good night.